Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to upload the patient document. The user may use the Add Patient document to add any existing document or file to the patient's profile. The user may add patient documents from two places, from the diary booking and from the debtor's account detail. Let us go over the first way to get the patient's document screen. From the diary screen, click on the desired patient. The side panel will open. Click on the Add Documents button. The Upload Document screen will open. Next, we will go over how to locate the upload documents from the data screen. Locate to the navigation wheel. Click on the Data segment. The data screen will open. From the data screen, click on the desired debtor to whom the document needed to be uploaded. The data sidebar will open. Click on the Account Details button. The Account Details screen will open. Click on the Upload Document tab. Click on the Add New button. The document upload screen will open. Click on the Choose File button to upload external documents or files to the document upload screen. The folder on the user's local computer will open. Follow the path where the user has saved the document the user wishes to upload. Click on the Open button on the file the user wishes to upload. The name of the document will display next to the chosen file button. Click on the document classification and choose the patient field. Click on the document type and choose the type of file the user is busy uploading. The user may choose from correspondence, medical, portrait or practice. The following document types will be explained. The medical option is the medical files and documents of the patient, for example x-rays. The practice option is any documentation regarding the patient in connection with the necessary practice information. The portrait option is where the user may see a photo of the patient, for example. The correspondence option is any communication about the patient. If the user wishes to explain a document, the user may use the description field, where the user may type in any information regarding the patient. Please note, the description field is a free text field. The user may type in whatever the user wishes in this field. If the user wishes to cancel the upload, the user may click on the Close button to exit the screen without saving. If the user wishes to save the document, the user may click on the Save button. The following fields will be explained underneath the Save Documents function. The File field is the name of the file that was uploaded. The description field is the description the user typed in when the file was uploaded. The type field is the document type which was chosen when the file was uploaded. The size is how big the file or document is in kilobytes. The upload date is the upload date the document or file was uploaded. The upload button is used when the user wishes to upload the file or document. The download button is where the user may download the document or file and save or print the document or file. The delete button is where the user may remove uploaded document or files. Show deleted files is where the user may see the document that have been deleted. To exit and return to the diary screen, click on the Close button located in the left corner of the screen.